At Jacada, we really try to bring depth into all of our trips. And what does that mean? It could be about understanding the history of the place that you're visiting. It could be just someone explaining the differences between their culture and yours. What we all crave is something that's going to stay with us, something that helps us see the world differently, something that helps us act differently in the world too. So we feel that when we've traveled, we've actually learned something, that travel has had an effect on us, on the people around us. It gives you a real sense of perspective, perhaps something different from your normal life. All of those things can really help you really think about your life and engage you more closely with the place that you're traveling in.